start with your weight on the left. You're going to raise your right foot, and we're going to start with a couple of kicks on that. So it's going to be kick, kick, coaster, step, left, kick, kick, coaster, step. Now your weight's on your left. You're going to step forward on your right, left, right, kick with your left, bring your left back for a step, and then a right step, left step, and then you're going to touch the side because you're going to do a grapevine to the right. So grapevine to the right. You're going to tap here as well because you're going to use that same foot then to step out and drag your right foot beside your left, and then you're going to rock back on that right foot. You're going to step forward now on your right foot, and you're going to start a V step. So the first step of that V is the right, then the left, then back on the right, then back on the left. Now your weight's on your left foot again. You're going to take that right foot. You're going to do a turning jazz box. So you're going to step over your right, back with your left, back over with your right, and then beside it with the left. Weights on the left. You're ready for that kick, kick again.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.